What you gonna do? Okay, Dylan is out. Jakey is still in. Hi, Jake. Winky dink to you, too. Dylan is trying to goad him out. She's going into the other cube to rest. So what do you think he's going to do, Dylan? Oops. Is this a fake out? What is it? Is Jake really tired, or is he faking her out? What are you going to do, Jake? It's a little too quiet. It's a little too quiet. I'm a little nervous. Go get her, Jakey. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Those cubes, they move by themselves. What are you crying about, Dylan? Nobody's touching you. Jake, where'd you go? Jake! Jake, where are you? There he is. And there's Dylan. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Into the bedroom. There goes Jake. Into the other room. Into the cube. Back into the cube again. Dylan. There she goes. There she goes back into the room. Back into the bathroom. Oh no. Maybe she has to go to the bathroom. Jakey. What are you going to do? What you gonna... Oh no. Oh no. You won't let her be. What's she doing? I'm afraid. She's in the bathtub. She's listening to the birds. Jakey's looking at me like, Mommy, what are you doing? All right. Now he's in the bathtub listening to the birds. What you doing? Dylan's out. Is Jakey gonna stay in or go out? What you gonna do, boy? Oh. Who's crying? Now Dylan's in. Hi, Dill. Well, you get the picture. They like each other. And there they are again, wrestling in the cube. Boom! Boom! So I make my case for not needing too many toys around here. They have each other. I think I made a good decision. Energy levels match. Signing off for now.